Hi, this is Ben Noble. What did I say now?
Now we're going to get ready to show them some places in Deer Lake.
We're going to show you some places in Deer Lake.
Some of our favorites. Just be yourself.
We're going to go to the golf course, and then later we're going to be going to the river. Go that way.
This is not great quality, but we're going to get better quality.
It's good quality!
It's okay. So, Ben, you don't have to be shy. Like, just pretend the camera is like your best friend.
It's just so weird.
Alright, let's go. Hey, what's up? All cleaned up from my workout this morning, and me and the kids are getting ready to take off and show you some places here.
Vlog, not vlog.
Vlog. Yesterday was vlog, and I realized it was an inappropriate term to use, so it's vlog, V-L-O-G. And we're going to take you around to some of our places here in Deer Lake and show you how beautiful our town is and our province of Newfoundland and Labrador. Been to a lot of places in our world, our beautiful world, but Deer Lake is one of my favorites, definitely. Hey guys, say hi. We have Luke Noble here. What's up? And we have Ben Noble.
Hi.
Wait.
What's up?
You know what Ben is.
Yeah, we need to get one of those things, Luke, like that you can hold it at. What do you call it? Oh, we got one. Awesome. So we'll hook that up. Samaya's in here. She's not ready to be on TV yet, so she's in there. When she gets all beautified, she'll join us. So we're gonna put our shoes on and head out. Okay. And see you soon.
Hey guys, it's Luke here. If you guys want to subscribe.
Try it again. Delete that part because we don't have much storage. Do it again.
Hey guys, this is Luke here. You heard my mom talk about me. Yes, I do have my own YouTube channel, and if you guys want to just subscribe and like our videos here, you need to go and sign into YouTube with your Gmail account or your email or whatever you have. Then you can subscribe to us, and then we can get more known, and then we can get more views, and we can get to our goal of 10,000 likes.
But you know what? All you gotta do is go on YouTube, and I think up in the corner it says create account, I think. And then you just create your own account, just like setting up like a a Google account or Gmail or something. It's very easy. So yeah, some people were asking like, how do I set up an account? So that's how you do it.
Yeah.
So tell them what we're gonna do now.
We're gonna go to some places around Deer Lake, around where we live, and we're gonna show you what we do in our summer holidays and what we like to do.
And right there is the river.
Yeah.
We live next to the river.
This is the river that we always swim in, and this is the bridge.
When we drive by, you'll be able to see down the river.
Yeah.
And we're gonna end up at the dock. The dock
Is our favorite place to go.
Yeah, and it's not ours, it's my cousin's, Melanie and Stephen Moss, but they let us come there all the time and swim and stuff, so we're going to show you the dock. It's pretty awesome. We're pretty blessed. Okay.
Bye!
We're gonna drive past the insectarium now.
Alright, we're here at the Viking Trail. Got Mom, we got Ben, we got Princess.
I don't know if it's called Viking Trail.
I'm pretty sure.
It's not a Viking Trail.
It's a little puppy. It's gonna be fun. Oh, something hit me in the leg. Bug.
We don't have Princess's
Leash.
Did you introduce Princess?
Yes, I did.
Did you? That's our puppy girl. She's our puppy girl. Come on. We forgot her leash, so hopefully we won't get funny.
This is the Humber River.
So it's the Humber River Nature Trail, not the Viking Trail.
Beautiful. Oh, I thought it was the Okay. Yeah, see a Viking Trail Bridge trailhead. Viking Trail.
Viking Trail Bridge trailhead. Oh. Alright, let's check it out.
Let's see, we got sightseeing. We got walking. We got cross-country skiing. Snowshoes, but no motorized vehicles. No hunting. So don't you dare come here and hunt. No. Come on, girl. Let's go.
Beautiful in here.
Yeah, I haven't been here yet.
Oh,
I wasn't here.
It's really nice.
I believe it's 5.8 kilometers is how long it is, and it goes out to the golf course.
That's where we want to be. It's at the golf course.
Aren't we going there? Because that's what I told the
Wow. I did not know this was here.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
What?
This is so cool. River Nature Trail.
Hey. It's one of my favorite things to do. One of my favorite things to do is to be in nature and get exercise at the same time. As you can see, I'm in awesome shape. Be cheesy. See, I'm trying not to be cheesy, right?
No.
Always cheesy.
I'm always cheesy. I know.
The Lion King.
Kristen Noble isn't Kristen Noble if she's not cheesy.
Cheesy. See, I'm trying not to be cheesy, right?
She's always cheesy.
I'm always cheesy.
When we done the Lion King, she came up with this cheesy thing. We put our hands in the middle and we said 1, 2, 3, Lion King.
That's what makes me who I am, right?
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Look how beautiful it is.
Ready?
Look at the view. It's like $1 million view.
Wow, I came here.
It's out up here like kudos to you. Look, there's a geese, a goose, a duck. No, it's not a duck.
Zoom in. Wow. Sure is.
Princess, here, princess. Come on. No, back. Do you want to go for another little bit?
There's a wild Ben.
I want to go back to the view.
We're gonna walk it right.
No, I love this. This is so nice. Like,
Let's go for another little few minutes up here.
like so nice.
Place to jog because it's easier on your joints.
It's so soft. It's like trampoline, bro.
It's spongy.
Hey, doggy. Princess! Hey! What are you doing? Got the lake. Dog sniffing a piece.
No, I'm still eating.
Right now, we're walking down here for some reason. I don't know why. Brother just told me. My loving brother just told me to come down. Boat, guys!
There's the insectarium. If you don't know what that is, that is a place with that has all insects in it. Hi, how you doing? Oh yeah, beautiful out here. See that building right there? Yeah, that's the insectarium. Man, was the first encounter we've ever had with a human while vlogging. I don't know if I did good or bad. Kind of stopped vlogging and then let him go by.
I like to swim across over here.
Yeah, it's so nice.
This is heaven. Boat right there, back quality, sorry. I can else really good
What?